Alright, so Jamaican people are sample, you know. When me say my people them a sample, me mean say them a sample. So them say, so the woman them say they want them pum fat by any means necessary. If I even if it trick the man them into thinking say them pum fat and trick them into these camel toe panties with the on the market now. So then they sell pum pad basically. If you make a pum look fat. Oh, what is not this, my lord? Oh my. At least we gone to ladies. God no. Me can't judge. I ain't the one to judge. But let's get into the story because it's hilarious, okay? Hilarious. Camel toe panties, which are undies specially designed to give the wearer an extra buff at the front, will soon hit Jamaica's market based on popular demand from women who said it will boost their self-esteem and bolster their bedroom game. Vincent Anderson of the Ven Posh Collections, which specializes in selling body-enhancing wares and products, told the Star that she will be stocking the products pronto after getting positive feedback online. I posted it on my page just as a fun thing, just to see what the reaction would be, and a lot of people responded to say they would buy it. Some say if they were buying it, they wouldn't let anyone know, she shared. The Weekend Star understands that the camel toe panties originated in Japan close to a decade ago and were known as party pants. But the trend did not take off until a couple of months ago on the Asian market. Since then, provocative product has made a comeback after gaining much popularity in various countries and is now being sold on universal platforms such as Amazon and eBay. I need some sweets, guys. That story is too much for me. The product is made of silicone or thick fabric sewn within normal underwear and comes in assortment of styles and colors. God no. Their prices range from US $16.99, Jamaican $2,566. Bombo. That's so much money on the pay pum pad. The US $39.99, Jamaican $5,134. But according to Anderson, Jamaican will be able to buy the kinky kinkers in her store pretty soon. Whatever that's supposed to mean. The truth is, I knew that there would be a market for it. We were planning to buy them a couple months ago, but we weren't seeing them online for sale. Now that they're available, definitely will be buying them for sure, Anderson said. Several women told the Star that they are quite interested in trying the product, while others said they were happy with what they were born with. To be honest, when I was younger, I used to put t-shirt down there to make it look fat, so I would definitely wear it because I want to look sexy, Sashana Dawson admitted, adding women in Jamaica would really like it because men always call to them when they look buff in tights. The product got mixed reviews from males, with some saying that they would be disappointed if women used the panties to trick them, while others said that they would enjoy the view. God almighty, really? God no? So on the pair between 2,000 and so on the basically pair between $2,000 and $5,000 Jamaican dollar fee buy pum pad to make on crutches look buff. To each their own, but for me, for this a girl, for this a one, Me wouldn't spend my hard earned $2,000 or $5,000 for pum pum pad. Really? If me dey look man and that I'll catch the man when me dey look, me not go on that demand anymore. Okay? If me pum pum have to look big, buff and fake, for him say psst for me, or say psst browning, what go on, it's not worth my time or energy or effort. Okay? At all. But to each their own. I'm not the one here to judge. I'm not the one here to pass judgment. If you don't want to buy on a pum pum pad to make on a pum pum look buff and all these things, I don't do anything by any means necessary. If I catch you don't want to catch one man, catch the man, because some of them man deserve to get catching. They praise body, they praise the physical and outwardly experience, but make one woman trick them. And you hear how woman are wicked, and you hear how woman this and woman that. But when you date, psst, sexy, how your body so round, psst, sexy, how your pum pum so fat. What a way that girl the pum pum buff. No man, we don't take a half a hit. When on their road and they look woman, now you will be more cautious. Now you're gonna be more cautious because woman can trick you in every way now. Every single way. From fake body to fake hair to fake nails to makeup. So I guess I want a whole dose of trickery they go on at Jamaica. Cause this is taking it to a whole new level. Fake panty if you make your pum pum look buff. Really? Me don't know about this here one year. But me wouldn't wear it. But to each their own, like I said before. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the pum pum. For the pum 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 pum. The camel toe panties. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the camel toe panty with the panty market in Jamaica, where the woman them say them all buy because them want to look sexy for uno, and they want them they want uno off of them, and they want to look buff like buff bear. So I want to hear about from the men and the women. I want to hear if the woman them all go wear it and spend them hard earned money buy it, or them all let it go and just be happy with God give to them. I want to hear the man them side, if them feel say a trickery, if them feel say it's fine, as long as no woman no use it on them. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this topic here, because the one here they take it to a whole new level of fake. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man.